Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. For today's project, I am going to share you one of the most beautiful cuff sleeve design. For that, I have cut out the required fabric for the sleeve already, and the length of the sleeve is 17 inch. So at the bottom of the sleeve, I am going to attach the cuff. Here we have two sleeves. I have taken a piece of fabric. These are two layers. And the length of the fabric is 6 inch, and width of the fabric depends on the width of the sleeve. So now I have taken two pieces of strip for flap. Fold this by half in width. Length of the flap is 4.5 inch and width is 1.5 inch. So I have taken two pieces of strip for two flaps. Just draw a straight line by leaving some 0.25 inch on both the sides. After this, mark the center. Then mark some half inch down and join these points. Similarly, finish the other flap as well. Now make a stitch here. Just turn this and start making a stitch. That's it. Now trim the excess fabric and also make a small cuts. After this, take any sharp object and place it here and turn this inside out. After this, you will get a flap like this. Iron this, then make a top stitch. It's so simple to make. Similar to this, you have to finish the other side of the flap as well. And that's it. Now I have taken a sleeve. This is the wrong side of the sleeve. Just fold this and tap the center and mark it. Similar to that, take the flap and mark the center of the flap and match the center of the sleeve with the center of the flap. After this, take a piece of fabric. This is a single layer. Just fold it and place it here and then start making a stitch. I have pinned the fabric. Now make a top stitch. And that's it. With this, my stitching is complete. This is how it looks. This is the wrong side of the fabric. Just turn this to the right side. So here I'll attach the button. So it's so simple to make. Thanks for watching.